Let's get turned up today, boys. It's time. It's Fresh Cash Friday. That's right. There is nobody doing it like this. Let's get ready to pump it up today, boys.
You tell me exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed. And I sat there, pushed. And I fucking laid pushed. And I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Pushed.
Woo! Woo!
Push. I sat there.
Push.
Going down hard.
Push.
Oh my god. Little cat. I got this.
So much higher.
Don't worry, guys. Can you
Take me higher.
I got this.
So much higher.
Don't worry, guys. I know exactly how to make the market go. Winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell, of course.
Winner, chicken dinner.
If you're not making
It's live, baby. We're doing it. What's poppin'?
literally my girlfriend,
What's poppin'?
she does trading. Think about that. That's fucking funny. Drop down. Book my stuff.
Hey, by the way, Ass Rips, where's he at on the leaderboard? We know where I'm at. Number 26. Out of all of the traders at Top Step, number 26. We're still climbing. We're going to get in that top 25, and then we're going to get top 10, and then we're going to the tippity top, baby. Then we get to the tippity top. Right now, the NASDAQ opening up. Market open, coming up. If you come to the car show, can you get a shirt? I'll try to bring some shirts. I don't really know how many shirts I got, but I'll try to bring some. Yeah, I'm telling you, this is the hottest song of 2024. Right here, baby. Oh, look at the NASDAQ doing stuff before the market opens. You know how it goes. Classic. The perfect little bull flag setups there on the NASDAQ. Perfect little bull flag setup, and then straight to the moon here pre-market. Look, why has it got to do this to me, you know? Why? Like, literally, why? I was at the gym working out, come home, I see this shit, and I'm like, are you kidding me? It's perfect. I mean, I could have been done. I could have just got long, I don't know, got long here, fucking took a fucking 50-point ripper and then been done. But no, NASDAQ, you just couldn't make it easy for me, could you? You just couldn't make it easy on me. You had to make it hard on me. Come on, NASDAQ. Why you gotta do that to me? Oh, Lord. All right. Looking at the hourly chart, look at this hourly breakout. It's funny because, well, I don't know if it's funny, but it's funny because this is kind of playing out exactly like we talked about it playing out yesterday, kind of getting back into this big range. So we got this kind of big range here. NASDAQ once again into that big range. All that selling the other day, we're right back into the range. Now, we obviously have a lot of stuff going on up there at the 20,600 level, about 100 points higher than we're at right now. And that hourly candle looking a little dangerous here. But we'll see what happens at open. You never know. Sometimes the market, you know, people always think that gaps love to get filled, which, hey, I'm a firm believer in that. But what I also know is that it's about like, you know, it's not 100% of the time. So what that could also mean is if we don't fill the gap, let's say we don't fill this gap, well, guess what? There's a very good chance that we could just kind of keep on squeezing if that momentum continues there. So right now, we are very close to filling the gap there on the QQQ from the other day. So maybe that's kind of, we filled this gap on the Qs. If you look at the QQQ right now, all right, so this was, this is all there from yesterday. So this was yesterday's price action. If you look back here, Wednesday morning, we gapped down on the QQQ. We did not fill it. And guess where we're at right now? About to fill that gap here. So we're going to be opening up. It's kind of funny. We're opening up right here at the bottom of this gap. And then obviously we're going to have a gap here. So we closed yesterday on the QQQ. And then obviously you know, we got gaps everywhere. We got a gap down there still. We got a gap here. Well, now we have this gap, 495. We're sitting at 495, 496 area right now on the Qs. And we got that gap there. We got that gap to the downside, but we are filling this gap back to the upside right now here on the QQQ going into open. So something to think about. I'm kind of always keeping an eye on everything, baby. Just like, there's always little hints, you know, little secrets, little hints here and there. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for hints, little clues to where we might go, where we're going, and all of that fun stuff. So right now, the NASDAQ looking bullish here pre-market. I talked to Victoria about this earlier. I'm like, hey, all this shit right now, all this move here, it don't matter, because we know if the market opens up and it just starts tanking, there's a very good chance that it pulls back real hard. So just because the market's pushing up here pre-market does not mean that I just want to go long. You know, it's like sometimes this could be the perfect type of trap. Right now, we got that pivot point there at the 20,523s. 20,523 level for that pivot point. So we got a pivot point down there, 20,452. Pivot point there, 20,523. We got the 21 EMA on the 15-minute chart down there, right at that pivot, 452. And then we've obviously got the VWAP down there at the 20,428s. I really do despise, you know, I despise this type of market. I do. I just despise it. Like, why has it got to make a big move pre-market like that? Why? You know, why? Why couldn't it have waited? You know, imagine if the market was like, it pulled back at open, it bounced off the 21, the VWAP, and then made this move back. Like, this would, like, oh my God, it would have been so sexy. It's still going higher. Are you fucking kidding me? It's just going. I should have jumped in earlier. Should have just got long, man. Another little bull flag playing out there through the 500 level. We got that pivot point right there, 20,520s. I don't want to jinx it, but I feel like there's got to be a pullback here, right? There's got to be a pullback, right? Right? It's just got to be. It's just got to be a pullback, man. Maybe. The market's going up because Trump's going to win the election. Oh, buddy. Stock market only goes up with Donald Trump as president. Woo! I mean, the only people that are voting for Kamala Harris are poor people. Like, why would anybody with money vote for Kamala Harris? You know, why? Why would anybody? If you'd have to, like, you might as well just, like, you're committing suicide. Like, hey, I'm rich. Let me go vote for Kamala Harris so she can give away all my money to poor people. You know, like, it ain't happening. It ain't happening. Trump, I want to make day trading great again. You know, let's make day trading great again. Donald Trump back if he's the president. Remember back in the day when Donald Trump would literally tweet? You know, did you remember that? You remember when Donald Trump would literally tweet and the market would go up 100 points or down 100 points? Do you guys remember that? That shit was hilarious. That shit, it was good. That was a fun time to be alive. It was like literally like all we had to do was just wait for Donald Trump to tweet something and then, oh my God, it's going up. Let's make day trading great again. Yeah, I remember when Elon used to move Bitcoin as well. Like Bitcoin, Doge, all that stuff. Literally, if Elon Musk would tweet, it would go up like 3 or 4%. Good old days, man. The good old days. I want those good old days back. You know, I want to get back to the good old days. Let's make day trading great again. Vote for Donald Trump. A vote for Donald Trump is a vote for America. Yeah, and then Donald Trump talking about abolishing income tax It'll be a really hard thing to do, but I'm fully on board. I think income tax is the biggest scam in the world. You get taxed on the money that you make, then you get taxed on the money that you spend, then you get taxed on the money when you buy something. If you buy a house, you get taxed every year on it. If you buy a car with the money that you've already been taxed on, you pay sales tax, and then you got to pay a tax to registration every year. And then you're paying a gas tax, and then you're paying tax on the food. You're paying tax every single fucking time you touch money. So at some point, like, it's a scam. It's a fucking scam. There's no reason. We don't need to fucking pay taxes every goddamn time I move money around. You know, like if I buy something, like there should just be a universal tax. You just have like one time. If you like, just one time. Just I want to pay tax one time and not every time. You know? That's why I think a sales tax, just increasing sales tax makes the most sense. Because, even, hey, let's say I go buy a Lamborghini for $300,000. Like, I pay the tax on it, right? That's fair, right? Okay, hey, I want something nice. I pay a sales tax on it. Great. Now, let's say I don't want to spend my money and I want to save it and I want to build my wealth. And, I should be rewarded for that. I shouldn't be penalized for holding money. In terms of like having to pay taxes when I earn the money, like if I earn money, I should not pay taxes on it. Very simple idea here, people. Right now, the NASDAQ pulling back here into open. We got 7 minutes. Well, pulling back up into open, I guess. Sales tax is a regressive tax, meaning no matter what you earn, you are taxed evenly. It hurts the lower earners way more. More incentive to work harder. You know what I mean? The problem is when you make a lot of money, you figure out how to not pay taxes. You know what I mean? Like, so it's the percentages don't work out. And hey, I'll be honest, I paid over $300,000 in taxes last year. So, I can speak about this. I think it's criminal. It's criminal that Patrick Wieland had to pay $300,000 for taxes. I gave a Nutty Bar $5,000 yesterday. That's right. $5,500 actually. I agree. You could pretty much get rid of the federal government. Get rid of the federal government and only have state have like kind of an like an umbrella corporation. But there's way too much federal oversight, way too much. Let the states rule themselves. Like each state should be like a country, right? That way the states that like Florida would be fucking just booming. Business would be booming in Florida, Hey, I'm not anti-American by any means. I just think that where we're at right now is not America. The original forefathers that created America, guess what? They did not pay. They did not pay income tax. They moved away from Britain because they didn't want to pay tax. And guess what? Our founding fathers would roll over in their grave knowing that Kamala Harris wants to change that. And also, hey, you know what the problem too in America is? It used to be you were proven, you were innocent until proven guilty. The problem in America now is you're guilty until proven innocent. You know what I mean? Like, that's the fucked up part. That's, as citizens, if you do something, you're instantly guilty until you can prove that you're innocent. And that's the problem. That gives the government way too much power. Way too much power. I spent 9 days in jail for something that I didn't even do. Think about that. Like, I literally spent 9 days in jail for something that I didn't even do. It's insanity. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? I spent 9 days in jail for fucking what? For something that somebody made up? Literally made up? Can you sue for that? Unfortunately, you're not allowed to sue municipalities. I'm trying to sue. I'm trying to sue the Honolulu Police Department, but the problem is, it's pretty much like set up so that you can't get money from municipalities because they do that so people won't go around suing the cities and stuff, taking the tax money. But basically, I got arrested because somebody in Florida said that I jumped on the hood of their car, and I never did. There's no facts. There's no proof. I was not convicted or anything, but I still spent 9 days in jail. I spent 9 days in jail before I even went in front of a judge. How does that fucking even make sense? And that wasn't in Florida. That was in Hawaii. I spent time in jail. Crazy. Was it a Lambo? No, it was a Tesla. Hey, you know the best part is, the guy that said that I jumped on the hood of his car, he then sued me for what do you call it? An injury, personal injury lawsuit, right? So he sued me for a personal injury. The best part is, my counsel puts him in deposition, and he admits that I never jumped on the hood of his car. Fucking moron. So yeah, literally done. It's over. I got sued for a personal injury lawsuit because the guy said that I hurt his neck. That Patrick Wieland jumping on the hood of his car hurt his neck. It's fucking crazy, man. It's fucking crazy. All right, getting ready for market to open. We got less than 2 minutes here till market open, baby. Let's go. Patrick for president. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button. We need 500 likes here on the stream. I'll turn this bitch off right now. I will turn this bitch off right now. 500 likes, make it or break it. Let's see. 2 minutes, can we do it? The stream is lagging. Oh God. Apologies, it's not me. Goddamn computers. How is it lagging? I don't understand how my stream's lagging. I am wired into the internet here. Here we go. Market is open. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, here it is. NASDAQ, NASDAQ, NASDAQ. That 520 area up there. She's going. Right there to the 520s, off the 21 EMA so far. All right, I mean... why? Come... Oh, God. All right, we got to be patient here, people. Be patient. NASDAQ going straight to the moon right now. First minute, market popping straight up there to the 520s, 530s now. Still just climbing. We've got this 540 area back there on Tuesday, the overnight high. And then after that, 590, 600 area up there. So, oof. What a time to be alive. Still going. Ooh. God, that first 2-minute candle, just boner candle. Boner candle right to the fucking, right to that pivot point there. We got to get some type of pullback. I mean, right there, something's got to happen here. Oh my God. Got to be some type of pullback. Still pushing off that 21 EMA, now above that pivot point right there. The hourly chart pushing up here. You can see that resistance there from Wednesday overnight. Right there, that 540 area, pushing right up into there now. God damn. God damn. Through the pivot point now. Up there to the 540s. Nvidia popping up. The best action was that 830 move. 830 off the 450s up there to the 520s. Good Lord. All right, so we basically filled that gap like we said on the QQQ now. You can see basically the gap was right here, that 496 level. So we pushed right up in there and filled that gap now on the QQQ. Obviously, we got a big old gap to the downside here. If you look, getting rid of the VWAP for now, but you can see there's a big old gap. 492 is where we closed at yesterday, and market now pushing right up there, 496s. So the next level really is that 600 kind of level up there next. Just feel like we got to, I would like some type of retracement here, you know, a little bull flag, maybe pull back, and then set up another bull flag here right now. Little squeeze right there at open, just straight through there, man. Straight through there. I'm really interested to see what happens here now. But I think we got to get a pullback, right? Right? We do have news coming out. We got 9:45 news. I think some 10 o'clock news as well, actually. No, just 9:45. We got 9:45 and then 10:30, a little bit of news, so. Yeah, sorry, 10 o'clock. I'm an idiot. It's 10 o'clock news, 10:30 news, not 9:45. Apologies. NASDAQ still pushing. Through the 50s now, 56s. What in the absolute fuck? Wow. Come on, NASDAQ. Bro, what is happening right now? Just absolutely straight to the moon. 575s now. All right, give me a little pullback here. Come on. The ES pulling back here. Little bull flag kind of forming right there above. There's a pivot point on the ES at the 5,871 area. This NASDAQ pivot point right there at the 20,525. So let's get a little bit of a pullback. We did kind of push up into these wicks here. Wick. triple top of that range right now. Give me like a little bull flag up here, you know? Give me something, a little bull flaggy. Pull back here. Pull back to that 20 area, it'd be beautiful. Kind of tap that 20 area and then react off of it for continuation here. Right now, looking at the 1 minute chart just to kind of see if we get a little bit of a bull flag here. Got that 21 EMA down there at the 23s. Got that pivot point. Everything down there at that pivot point right now. NASDAQ again trying to push. Ugh, it's just hard to get long up here, man. Holding up there at the 50s. Starting to curl up here through the 60s again. Gotta be careful. Just don't love this. I want a little trap to the downside here. Just holding there at the 60s, watching, see what happens here. Nvidia's pulling back. Through the 60s again. I think we got to get a pullback here. Come on. Tell me this don't want a pullback here. Got the 15-minute range coming up here as well. Come on. Holding at that 50 level. Kind of watching that hourly candle, that 20,600 area up there, just looking like it wants to go. Let's see what happens here. The bulls are holding up here. Let's get through that get through the 75s and then through the 600s. There's a pivot point right there, 618. So look at it. Look at it. Put your yellow line on it. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's get some action out of here. She wants to go. Yeah, buddy. Through the 70s here. Right up it. Come on. Get right into that 80 level. Don't stop there at 80s. You know you want to go higher. You know you want to go higher. Oh my God, how could one man be so good? Guys, I did it. I fucking did it, boys. I motherfucking did it. I did it. He did it. He motherfucking did it. Oh, I can't believe. Hey, I wanna give a round of applause. I wanna give a round of applause to myself, all right? I did it. I did it, boys. Took the long there from the 71s up there in the 80s. Oh, buddy. The best part. This is the best part. Are you ready for this? It's still going. Look at it up there to that pivot point. Oh, Lord. The best part here is look. $35,000 payout coming up. Requesting a $35,000 payout on Saturday. Top Step. Get me some money, motherfuckers. $35,000. What am I gonna buy? NASDAQ still going. Whew. My goal today, I told Victoria, I said, listen, all I gotta do is make $200 per account. Get that payout. Look at it. Would you just look at it? Oh. Lord, have mercy on my soul. For I have sinned. Lord, have mercy on my soul, for I have sinned, and I do not deserve all of this money, Lord. It's still going higher. God, these Apex accounts right now, all of these accounts are up over $22,000 per account. I've been trading these for over 20 days now, just making $1,000 a day, basically. My goal, kind of $1,000, $2,000. You can see my entry right here. I actually got I got in right above the high of these little candles. Looking for that push into the 80s. All I need is 10 points on 2 contracts. Give me that money, baby. Give me that money. Don't overcomplicate this shit, people. It ain't rocket science. Look at it. It's still going. Like we said, literally the hourly candle. Where do you think the hourly candle was going to go? Where do you think the hourly candle was going? Where did you think it was going to go, Patrick? Oh, yeah, it was going to go above this fucking highs. Still going. Still going. I love it. I fucking love you guys. I love you. I love everybody in the chat. Thank you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. You guys are the best. Everybody in the chat. Let's fucking go, boys. I can't believe it. $35,000 payout. $35,000 plus another $22,000. So that's We locked in today like $57,000 payout across all the accounts. Pretty good. Pretty good, boys. Pretty good. Haters gonna hate, players gonna play. Let's see what Victoria's up to. What Victoria make this morning? Victoria's up $700. Let's fucking go. Hey. NASDAQ still just pushing. Just pushing. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I was a little nervous today. You know, I'm not gonna lie. I was a little nervous today. It's a lot of pressure, man. It's a lot of fucking pressure. When you're on a hot streak to like continue on the hot streak. You know, it really is. And I don't talk about it enough, but I put a lot of pressure on myself. Obviously, me trolling everybody else and, you know, me saying that I'm the #1 day trader, it's a lot of pressure that I put on myself, and I have to deliver. And look, we're delivering, baby. We're delivering. You know? We're delivering here. That's all that matters. I think there's only one song. There's only one song that needs to be played right now. There's only one song that's really gonna set it off for us. So if you love this stream, make sure you hit that like button. There is only one song that can get me fucking fired up right now, and that's right here.
I know he's pretty dumb, but I think he's confused than sane.
Ali said, he's got Lambos, he's the best trader, and he also has Victoria's Secret. Hey! And I push.
Push.
Guys, it went to the pivot point!
Going down hard. Oh my gosh. Little cat. Yes. Going down hard. Oh my god. Little cat.
So much higher.
Don't worry, guys.
Can you take me higher?
I got a fix.
So much higher.
Don't worry, guys. I know exactly how to make the market go winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell quick.
God damn it, this is
If
amazing.
you're not making money when you're still making money, winner, chicken dinner. Literally, my friend makes more money than ICT does trading. Think about that. That's fucking funny.
All right, so the NASDAQ right up there to that fucking pivot point. Who would have thought? Hey, if you're wondering, how do I use pivot points? How do I learn how to day trade? Well, guess what, my friends? I got a course, and I could help you. I could. But you don't want the help, do you? You don't want the help. You don't want the help. People don't want the help. You know, I can't help you if you don't want to be helped. All right? Let's ask the Magic 8 Ball. Is Patrick Wieland the #1 day trader on YouTube? It's stuck. It's stuck. What the fuck? Oh, it says positively. Positively, baby. All right, so the NASDAQ right up there to the pivot point. What a beautiful move. We had that little bull flag and then ripped it to the highs, baby. If you're not green on the day right now, you're watching the wrong fucking channel. You know? You're watching the wrong fucking channel. Come on, people. The house account, Top Step's down. They're down. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. They're down on the day. How is that possible? How did they lose? How the fuck did you lose? How? Oh my God. I don't even understand it. I'm mind blown right now. How the fuck are they red? How are they down $1,000? I'm insane. I literally don't even understand it. I don't even understand it. I don't even understand it. How is that possible? How in the fuck are they fucking red right now? even understand. I'm mind blown. I am fucking mind blown. Oh my God. I'm not even trying to be an asshole, but how did they lose money? How is it possible that they lost money? What did they do? What could you possibly have done? What could you possibly have done? How? I don't even understand it. Well, I don't why? Why? Guys, let me give you all a quick little, I want to be serious here. Let's be serious. All right, let's talk about this. All right, real quickly. How is it possible to lose money on this setup? Explain to me. How did you lose money on this setup? Oh yeah, you know how you lost? I don't know how they did it, but if you shorted here, you shorted. Guys, the trend is your friend, right? If I look at the hourly chart and I see this fucking boner candle to the upside, if I see this setup here, I ain't getting short, because why would I get short there? There's the opportunity, the chance, the probability, right? The probability that we magically just stop at 67 and pull back. I mean, come on, guys. Come on. You know what I mean? There is no reason to get short here. You know, if you got short this morning and you lost money, you have to ask yourself, why? Why? It literally hurts me. It hurts me like on the inside. It hurts my brain. It hurts my soul. Like I feel bad. Like how can anybody watch somebody on YouTube that lost money today? I don't even know how. How could you possibly have lost money today? I'm not even trying to be a troll. I'm just wondering how. You know what I mean? Like how? It's mind blowing. It's fucking mind blowing. I look at this chart and I look at it and I think to myself, okay, yeah, how did anybody lose money on this? Oh, the only way that you lost money today is that you try to fight the trend. You try to fight the move. The market was literally, look at that. It didn't even go below this look at this little bull flag. Look at that low of that candle right there, 44. The low right here, 45. Like it couldn't even pull back any more than that. So you know that if it breaks through here, there's almost a 99% chance that we're going to continue higher. There's a pivot point sitting right there, 618s. Come on. Guys, I want people that are watching this to understand one simple idea. It's not, don't buy the course. I don't really give a fuck. You know, say that I'm a scammer all you want. But at the end of the day, don't fight the fucking trend, right? The trend is imagine you go to a horse race, right? You're at a horse race, and during the horse race, you're allowed to bet, right? Once the race starts, all right? Would you bet on the horse in the back of the pack, or would you bet on the horse that's maybe like right in the middle, or ready to break out, ready to go, you know, to the finish line? You know, like, which one would you bet on? Would you bet on the horse that's fucking way in the back losing? Or would you bet on maybe like, you know, the horses that are like right in the fucking front? It's still going up. Oh my God. I don't know how you could have lost money. You literally could have bought at any fucking point this morning and still be making money. You know what I mean? Like you would still be making money no matter what. You could have closed your motherfucking eyes and went long and made money on this. So that's why I'm just like, I want people to see, don't fight the trend. You don't need to pick the top. You don't need to pick the bottom. Just fucking get in, get out, make money. You know, come on, guys. I really hope that people on my stream are not red right now. It hurts my soul. Because it's just like, if you're red right now, oh man, you know, like it just hurts. It hurts me. I want you guys to win, you know, because like there's no reason to be red right now. There's no reason. If you lost money, like there's zero reason for that. And I'm not even trolling right now. I'm not even like this is not part of the show. Like I'm honestly just being honest with you, right? As much as we sit here and we talk and we make jokes and all that, it's like This is a very real example, guys. This is a very real example of why there is no reason to fight the trend. There, you know what I mean? Like, there's just no reason to. So hopefully this helps somebody. You know, if you lost money today, like, use it as a good lesson, I guess. You know. Yeah, Robert said he took no trade, waited for a bigger pullback. That's fine. Hey, congratulations. Like, Robert did exactly what you should have done. You know what I mean? Like, Robert did exactly what he should have done today. He had a plan. He had his strategy. He didn't enter a trade, but at least he didn't get short. You know what I mean? Like, he didn't take a short. That's like, not losing money is making money. Think about it. Your account balance is based on you either taking a trade or not taking a trade. You could not make a trade and still be like in the green, you know, like you're still in the green if you don't take a trade. Oh, I love you guys. I do. And I know a lot of times that, you know, I get mad at the chat and blah, blah, blah. But like, you guys, without you guys here every day, I wouldn't be able to do what I do. And I do appreciate you. I try to bring as much value as I can bring to the channel. I try to bring as much value to these live streams. I feel like, you know, that there's people out there that charge money for live streams. They charge money for Discords and all that stuff. And that's one thing that I would never do. I would never have a paid chat room. I know that their market flow trader thing was going on, but that wasn't like, I was still live on YouTube while that was going on. But in general, I just want to point out, like, I'm here to help. You might think I'm an asshole. You might think I'm a terrible person. You might think I'm toxic. But at least you cannot deny the fact that I'm here to help. You know what I mean? Like, so, whew. Are you still trading FTT? I still have them. I don't really want to talk about it. It's a whole disaster over there. I don't know what change. Yeah, it's funny because now FTT changed their rules. Tradeify changed their rule. Everybody's like changing the rules. And to be honest, like I said, I am over. I'm done. You know, like in January 1st, I'm done trading prop firms. I'm going to put $300,000 into a real account and I'm just going to trade it. And I'm not going to fuck around with the prop firms anymore, you know, and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm not doing it. So I'm over it. But you know, that's the point. That's the point, man. You know, you're supposed to, you're supposed to make money in a prop firm, put that money into your account, and then trade your own money. And right now, you know, every single YouTuber's just fucking trading 20 accounts, blah, blah, blah. It's like, I get it, you know, it's cool, it's fun, people make money, blah, 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 but like, that's just not the way. Because then you gotta, every time you go to get a payout, you gotta fucking worry about, oh, am I gonna break a rule? Is this gonna happen? You know, it's always something. So, NASDAQ's still going, man. Still fucking going. Through the pivot point, up there to the 660s, it just won't stop. I'm not gonna lie, like I probably could have held a little longer, but like I said, my goal today was very simple. I wanted to get that payout. I wanted to secure it. I wanted to make sure that I put money in my pocket. You can see my stats right here. I've been very transparent with these accounts. This is one XFA. I got 6 total trading days in this account. So I could have taken a payout yesterday, but that wasn't the goal. I wanted to take all the payouts at one time. So you can see my equity curve, everything there. We actually, look at this account. This account actually dipped down. First day in this XFA, I had a $3,000 loss. The next day I made $3,300. The next day, $3,000, a $3,000 loss. We grinded, we battled. Look at that. That's 5 trading days of basically going nowhere. But look what happens. Look what happened when I put my head, you know, when I got my shit right. This is me getting back to Florida, basically. When I got back to Florida, got my shit right. Look, fucking 400, 5,000, 4,000. Right? That's the difference. I got my shit right. I got back to Florida. I stopped playing around. And look at the market still going. It's just going. We got another pivot point coming up there, 20,700s. It is saying today, and NASDAQ said, we are never going to pull back. Welcome to Trump's America. Wall Street is betting very heavily on the idea that Trump becomes the president again. So it looks like it's only gonna be a good Christmas, my friends. Daddy Trump taking us to the moon. Elon Musk. You gotta think about it. What's pretty cool about Trump is if Trump becomes president, we get Elon Musk, we get Tulsi Gabbard, Tulsi, whatever, Tulsi, and then we get RFK. So like you literally get these like 4 or 5 badass people. If you vote for Kamala, what do you get? You get Tim Walz, who drinks horse semen. You know, hey, that's cool if you're into that stuff. I'm not hating, but like, I don't really know if drinking horse semen is the best idea, you know? Might not taste that good. I've never tried it, but maybe Tim Walz, you know, maybe he prefers the taste of horse semen. I don't know exactly how that works, but it is what it is. So yeah, Fresh Cash Friday, baby, we did it. And again, this is my big account. So inside of the XFAs for Top Step, you're not allowed to make over $50,000 because after 50,000, you basically forfeit any profits. So it's funny because I got this account up to 49,715. So I grew this account to 49,715. And then you can see my best day was 26,000, average winning day, 7,000. And I've been kind of just messing around with it, I feel like, ever since I got it up to this point. I took a $20,000 payout, 20,500 payout, you can see there. So yeah, I mean, we're doing it. We're trading. We're making the money. You can see this is 15 days of trading. And this account really went to the moon. The first day I made 4,800, the next day 10,000, the next day 26,000. And then it's just been kind of sitting up here and I'm waiting to get that payout. So I'm gonna get another payout here. Now I got 10 total days with that account, and that'll be what is that? 25. I got $25,000 basically. So I could take a $12,000 payout, I guess. So one $12,000 payout, one $6,000 payout, another $6,000 payout, another $6,000 payout, and then probably like a $3,000 payout from 5 accounts. So NASDAQ finally pulling back after pushing all the way to the goddamn moon today. What a day, what a day, what a day. What a day. Fresh Cash Friday, baby. I told you it was going to be hot. I told you it was going to be a hot motherfucking day. Get ready for it. We go live on YouTube, Fresh Cash Friday. You know it's going to be a good one. You know it's going to be a good one. Anybody saw yesterday I sent Nutty Bar $5,000. That was fucking hilarious. Nutty Bar. Nutty Bar. All right, so the news is out. Why'd I give him 5,000? Just to troll him, basically. You know, just to troll him, just to say that I could. You know, hey, it's kind of funny, you know, hey. $5,000 to my haters. To the people that make videos about me out there, I give money to them. I did find out that Nutty Bar's real name is Lester. And I'm not even making that up. It all makes sense now. I always wondered why Nutty Bar made his YouTube channel Nutty Bar and not something else. But if my name was Lester, I probably would not make that my YouTube name either. Lester Trades. Lester Trades could have been a vibe. So it could have been a vibe, you know. Lester Trades. I'm just saying. Nutty Bar, I think it's time. I think it's time. Lester Trades. I'm not even trolling. I'm not trolling. I think it'd be good. Why not Lester Trades, you know? I'm sorry. I'll quit. I'm not. I like Nutty Bar. I do. I like everybody. People think I don't like people, but I like everybody. I do. Nah, no shame. Let's not make. We're not making fun of Nutty Bar. I just never knew that was his name. What is Rip's real name? It's like James Alexander or Alexander James. It's one or the other. I don't know. Rips is a good-looking dude. No homo. Curry man. If Rips is good-looking, I'm the Mona Lisa. Hey, if Rips is good looking, I'm the goddamn Mona Lisa. I have a real photo of Rips actually. He posted this on Twitter. It's a pretty good photo. I think I posted it somewhere. Where is it? Where is it? I'm really excited to find out if I'm going to be on the top 25 leaderboard with Top Step. Another bull flag kind of setting up here again. I mean, hey, if you like to play with fire, you know, it's up to you. I don't know if I'd get long all the way up here right now, but hey. A little suspect. But that could also squeeze the shorts nicely if the shorts get squeezed here. I'm definitely not going to take another trade. I'm not taking no more trades today. I got my payout, and that's all that matters. She's trying to break out here once again. Lord, oh Lord, have mercy on my soul. Just a little recap here if you're just now tuning in. Check this out. Check it out. What's it all about? To turn it out. Look at this. Would you look at that? The 15-minute range today, absolutely. There was no pullback on the 15-minute range. Fuck, look at that thing. 15-minute range breakout. It just fucking went straight to the goddamn moon. That's pretty funny. So we had the 15-minute opening range. This is a textbook type of setup play for me personally, for the Patrick Wieland concepts. Breaking out there. This was at 942, 944. Wait, which one's the 945 candle? Yeah, so it was like right here. Look at that. What's crazy is it was like broke the 15-minute range and didn't even dip. There was no dip there at all. Crazy. Not even like any type of dip. It literally broke the 15-minute candle and just went straight up. 5-minute chart, same thing, broke out right there. Wild. Absolutely wild. You know what happened? You know there's a lot of people that got blown up today because they tried to short this move. You know that's a fact. You know? There's nothing more true than that. Now Top Step's long from the 74s. 674s. Oh Lord, what are they doing over there? He took the bear, he took the bull flag. He's watching the stream. God damn it. I mean, I did just say that I didn't like get long up here, so. Oh no.
Really, I want to pull back to 605.
Oh, Top Step is long from 71. Let's go, boys. It's fucking magical. If this thing just starts pulling back, oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Nick for a tick had a tilt day. What happened? What happened? Boop, 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 boop. Holding 5 contracts long here from 71s. Oh. Not ideal. This is just like, where do you put your stop at here? If I was long from the 71s, I don't know if I'd like, oof. They might be lucky. They might get lucky here, but. I don't think so though. I'm not trying to troll. I'm not gonna be an asshole. I'm really not. I like Top Step. I do. I like everybody out there. It's competition. It's good. It pushes me. I'm a better day trader because there are other people out there pushing me. You know what I mean? Like that 100%. I'm the kind of person that like when I have competition, I thrive. I thrive from competition. So knowing that there's other people out there that are talking about me and coming at me, hey, I like it. It makes me better. So I do appreciate them. I appreciate them. No hard feelings. Not personal. Not personal. Someone said, I like Top Step TV. If you're long and then they're short, hey, I'm not gonna lie. It definitely, if I'm long and Top Step's long at the same time, I get a little scared. You know, I'm like, oh God. You know, I get a little scared. You know, I get a little scared. It's like, oh shit, oh shit, oh fuck. Oh, you know, like, oh fuck. I gotta get a haircut. I gotta get a haircut today, boys and girls. I gotta get me a haircut because this thing is. Let's find out. Just gotta watch it here. I bought a new e-foil. I'm really excited about this. My e-foil is coming. If you never rode an e-foil, you haven't lived. You haven't lived. You haven't lived until you rode an e-foil. It's like flying, pretty much. All right, I'm trying to get this information for the car show on Friday, or on Sunday. There's a car show on Sunday. If you're local, it's free to go to. There'll be a bunch of badass cars. I'm gonna have my cars there. I'll be hanging out. Come take a picture. Just don't murder me, whatever you do. Please don't come murder me. I don't want to die. I'm too beautiful to die. Just be nice. If you're a hater and you want to come, you know, fight me or something, like don't do it there. You know, there'll be children. I'll have my son there. I got my 12-year-old son. So please don't be a fucking weirdo. But yeah, I think there's a website here. Exotic auto shows. Exotic. I thought about maybe hiring a security guard. I'm not gonna lie. I thought maybe hiring a bodyguard. Anybody want to be my bodyguard? You got to be at least like fucking 6'5" and 500 pounds. Anybody? So this is the information. Sunday, right there. If you want to check it out, come check it out. We'll be there. I'll be there. Show starts at 11, so yeah, I'll be right before 11. We got the Lamborghini all ready to go. Should be a good show. It's right there in West Palm. If you're in West Palm Sunday, come check it out and say what's up. Say what's up to the people. My car will be in the Lamborghini area, obviously Lamborghini. So yeah, would it be fun to meet some people? So if you're around, come say what's up, and I'll see you guys there. So Sunday, October 27th, auto show, baby. Well, it looks like Top Step TV is sitting there in the red real nicely. Nice. Good job, guys. Good job. They shorted the move at the open, and then they got long at the top. You cannot do any better than that. You cannot do any better than that, you know? Hey, in terms of accuracy, hey, you know what I mean? In terms of accuracy, you could not have done it any better. You know, shorting at the bottom and buying at the top, 100% accuracy. You know, like, so I do give them credit for that. I do give them credit for the 100% accuracy. You know, consistency is key. Consistency is key, my friends. Consistency. So, I think I might just walk away. Like, I don't even know why stay here. I'm gonna get some FOMO and I'm gonna trade. So I might just walk it away right there. You can see in my Apex accounts, I got 11 of these accounts right now. Look at them all. So $850 times 11. These accounts are at 20 total days of trading. So I've got a payout ready to go. We can request a payout, I think like next week, I guess. And then the Top Step accounts. The Top Step accounts are sitting at $200 times 5 for $1,000. And we got about a $30,000 payout. $30,000 payout. If I do the math really quickly. 25,200. That'll be 12,000. So let's say 12,000. 12,600. 12,600 plus 6,000 plus. Oh wait. Oh God. Plus 6,000. Plus 6,000. Plus 6,000. Plus. I got $8,000 in this account. What I want to do is I want to, in terms of, this is good to talk about. We are pushing up again here though, but just really quickly, why I'm doing the payouts the way that I'm doing is, it is kind of breaking out. I don't know. Will we push through here? 700's next, coming up. But just really quickly, you see how this account right here has 7,937, so like $8,000 totally. Think about it like this. I like to think about it like, how many maximum loss days can I have? So if I pull these accounts, if I pull out 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, that would give me max loss days. It would give me what, 2 max loss days in these accounts, right? Give me the 2 max loss days. So I might only pull out like 12, enough to keep this above 6,000. So that way all 4 of these accounts are sitting at 6,000 and this account will be sitting at 12,000. So I think that's pretty good. That's kind of my game plan. That way I can keep a minimum of 2 days, 2 maximum loss days. NASDAQ finally breaking out here. That bull flag from earlier. Top Step got long at 71, got stopped out at the bottom, and then now it's pushing up. They are on fire today. I like the consistency, baby. I love the consistency. I fucking love it. Look at it. There goes the NASDAQ again through the fucking highs. The ES going to the moon. The NASDAQ going to the moon. We got a pivot point right there. 20,714s. We love to see it. We love to see it. Through the 700s now. Still going. Still going. I guess I saw this was pretty funny. Nick for a tick. What's so funny about these people, these influencers or whatever you call them, traders or coaches, is everybody attacks me, right? Everybody comes at me, but then when they do shit, like when they, oh, hey, I had a tilt day. So obviously that means he had a red day. Guess what? He won't post his fucking red day, but he'll call out Patrick Wieland for not showing losses, right? Everybody comes at Patrick. Patrick, you don't show the losses. Patrick, you never show us the losses. But then when they have a red day, they don't show it to anybody. That's so weird to me. Why is that? Why is everybody always on my ass, but then when they do it, they don't fucking talk about it? It's so weird. How does that work? You know? How is that? How does that work? Yeah, Rips never loses at the casino either. Yeah. We've heard that one. All right. If you're still playing with fire right now, you crazy people, you crazy. Are we going all-time highs? This isn't all-time highs. All-time highs, 21,220. God, if we go to all-time highs today, that means if the market goes all-time highs, that pretty much means that Donald Trump won the election. That's what that means. It would be like Donald Trump won. Look at the daily chart. I don't want to look at the daily chart. It is breaking out. I mean, I don't know if we're going to get that today. You think we're really going to be able to push up to the all-time high today? I don't know about that. I mean, we're already like, I don't want to jinx it, but I mean, we're already up pretty big here. What are we up right now on this day? What's the ATR right now? What's the ATR? Right now, we're up 300 points. The average true range right now is what? 300? Yeah, I don't know. When people talk behind your back, that means you're in front of them. Hey, I don't even need to talk anymore because I am literally in front of Rips. I am literally in front of Rips. I am now number 20. I was 26 on the leaderboard for Top Step yesterday. Rips was like 30 something the day before. I think he must have lost some money or something. Didn't tell anybody. So I don't even need to talk anymore because I am literally in front of Rips. So, well, I guess I win. So much for that fucking Ferrari. God, the fact that Rips thinks that owning a Ferrari is like big dicking me. He thinks that he's big dicking me because he has a fucking Ferrari. Bro, I got a boat. I got a boat that costs fucking $6,000 just to get the oil change. I got a boat. I got a boat that's worth more than your fucking Ferrari, dumbass. I make jokes. I make the jokes. Yeah, hey everybody. I live in Las Vegas. I play poker and I drive a Ferrari. I am the best. No, you're not. No, you're not, little buddy. No, you're not. Remember your place below me. Remember your place below me, bitch. Below me, motherfucker. Below me. The best is now that I'm above him on the leaderboard, just for now, forever. All I have to say is, hey, remember when you were below me? Oh yeah, you're below. Oh, I forgot. Wait, Rips, you're below me? I don't even have to, it's not even a joke. I don't even have to try anymore. That's the only response that I need to have. Is just, hey, Rips, you're below me? Oh, that sucks, man. Ouch. I would hate to be below Patrick Wieland. Like, there would be nothing worse than being below Patrick Wieland, you know? That would suck. That would be a terrible life to live. Somebody asked about my boat. I don't even know if I got like anything good of my boat. Where's I need that sick drone shot. I got a sick drone shot somewhere. I think when I went with the family. Look how tall my boat is. There's a drone shot somewhere here. Where's the drone shot? Nope. No drone shot in this one. Fucking E. My filmer, he doesn't use the fucking drone shot. It's not meat fishing. Where's the family one at? Oh yeah, this one. Here we go. I don't know. Rips always talks shit about my boat. He says it's a dinghy, but I feel like it's a pretty nice dinghy, you know? Like, dude, why did my guy not use... Oh, there it is. I don't know. I think it's a pretty sick boat. Look at those beautiful motors. Look at that thing. You're gonna tell me that Rips's Ferrari is cooler than that? I mean, come on. Come on. You're gonna tell me that Rips's hybrid Ferrari is cooler than my boat? I don't know, man. And don't forget, we have last year, or this year, 2024, we won over $300,000 in fishing tournaments. Yeah, so I don't know. Seems pretty legit. Look at that thing. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I just want to look at it. They're actually working on it right now in the backyard. NASDAQ still just pushing up there to the 20,720s next. It's funny because, like, you know, in hindsight, you sit here and you look at this setup and you're like, fuck. You know, I should have just went all in. Just went all in at open. Just all in. Well, hindsight's always 20/20, my friends. But again, ask yourself one thing. Before we close this out, ask yourself one thing. What was your goal today? What was your plan today? Did you have a goal? Did you have a plan? Did you have a strategy? What were you looking to do today? Did you accomplish that? If it was waiting for the perfect trade and you didn't take it, that's a great trade. Hey, you did a good job. Was it $100? Was it $200? Whatever it was. Did you hit your goal for the day? If you did that, then you're successful. Then you did it, right? If the market goes higher after you sell, who the fuck cares? Nobody gives a fuck if the market went higher after you took profit. It don't matter. You shouldn't care. Nobody should care. Because guess what? You did exactly what you needed to do. You showed up this morning, you put on a trade, you locked in the profit, and then you fucking walk away. You're not in the red. There are literally coaches, people who claim to be fucking day trading coaches that are in the red right now. So if you're in the green, you have to ask yourself, Patrick, I did it. I did it. You know what I mean? Like, that is like the fucking, that is the award. That is the motherfucking award. Reward yourselves, people. Fucking round of applause. Round of applause if you're green today. You know? I had a goal this morning. My goal was very simple. I said, hey, I want that fucking $30,000 payout. So what do I need to do that? I needed one more $200 a day. Could I have made more money today? Yeah, maybe. Maybe I could have. Sure. But hey, guess what? I got on the computer this morning. I put on a trade. I made the $200 that I needed to make. And now I'm going to get my payout. And that's all that you have to worry about. If I sit here and I think like, oh man, fuck, I should have traded. I should have held. That right there, that feeling is, it'll fucking destroy you. If you change your mental, if you change the mental, change your thought process, change it from, oh my God, I could have made so much more money. Change that bullshit. Get rid of that bullshit. Yeah, everybody could have. You know, oh, I could have been a fucking, NFL football player. Oh, I could have been a pro surfer. Yeah, I could have. Who the fuck cares? But guess what? This morning, I had one goal: to show up, make the fucking profits, get the fucking payouts, and then get the fuck out of here. And that's exactly what we did. So if you did exactly that, my friends, give yourself a round of applause. Remember, 90 fucking percent of day traders lose money. People that have been day trading for fucking 100 years, 10 years, 20 years, whatever call it, they lose money still. So if you're making money, if you're in the green, fucking congratulations. Hello? What's poppin'? Not much. Maybe. I'm gonna see. I got a couple things to look at this weekend, actually. I'll let you know for sure. If trust me, if I'm gonna get something, I'll let you know. I promise you. Thank you, though. I appreciate it. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. No, I like that GT2 RS. I just gotta kind of figure out what I'm gonna do numbers wise on it, but I'll definitely be in touch. Yeah. All right. I appreciate you. All right, I will. Thank you, sir. Thanks. They be calling me. They're calling me from the Ferrari dealership. They're trying to sell me a GT2 RS. I'm like, I don't know. Do I really need that right now? I don't even have room for it. Oh, big news, actually. Big news. If you're still here, I got big news, actually. I don't know if it's big news, but I'm putting in an offer on this place. Check this out. It's pretty cool. I kind of talked about it a little bit. I'm putting an offer on this place right here. Let me see if I can pull it up on Twitter. Oh yeah, sorry. Here we go. So this is just a quick little tour. So basically, there's this like old auto shop, which is kind of funny because, Wolf of Wall Street also started like in an auto shop. So there's this auto shop that's been sitting for a while, and I'm gonna put an offer on it. I think this could be just a good spot for business in general, for me at least. So we have like kind of like a little office area. We got this whole back area for parking for events or whatever. And then inside here, I'm thinking put all the, day trading desk, have a whole like trading floor basically inside of this area. And then kind of like, yeah, just have the trading floor there. Those cars obviously are not gonna be there. And then have this is like a little kitchen area, put a fridge in there, have it set up, little chill area. And then I'm thinking out in this area, make it kind of like a little den, for like doing podcast interviews and stuff. Like make this whole area like kind of just a chill office area. Come by, do some podcasts, do some other bullshit, like kind of just have that set up. I'm gonna have to redo all that, obviously. You gotta change up the colors and stuff, but yeah, you have this massive area where we could put, fucking 10 desks out there, have computers, have it all dialed in, and then I basically have like an area to keep my cars, keep all my toys. It's like the Patrick Wieland Fun Factory, It's the Patrick Wieland fucking Fun Factory, baby. So I think it'd be sick. Live stream from there, do videos from there, and all that fun stuff. So what do you guys think? Should I do it? Would it make me more legitimate, Would it make me more legitimate as a day trader if I had my own office? Like, would I be the #1 day trader on YouTube still? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So there it is, the NASDAQ up to the highs once again, pulling back. You know what time to walk? Time to walk. Big thank you guys for tuning in. Big thank you for tuning in. If Rips has a shop, do it. Wait, he has a shop? Does Rips have a shop? Oh, God. Fuck. It is very close. It's like 5 minutes from my house, which is nice. That was kind of like my goal, to have it right by my house. But I do think it'd be sick because it's in a little bit north of Fort Lauderdale. But I was thinking what would be cool is if I bring in, you know, if I bring in other day traders and then we do like some head-to-head battles, right? Everybody in my chat always thinks that they're fucking #1 Warren Buffett traders, right? So let's put people against each other. Let's bring in the guy who says he's the fucking best in the chat, and let's bring in the other guy. I'll fucking fly them there, and then, you know, we film it. I think that would be fucking hilarious. I doubt many people would actually show up, but it would be fucking, I think, really funny to have that. So that's I think it would be really good content. What do you think? Good content? I think it'd be good content. And the best part is I don't even have to trade, right? I could be the announcer. I think like it would be hilarious to have me there doing the live stream and then have 2 other traders trading, battling back to back. I think that would be fucking hilarious when you think of like that would be some pretty good content. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get that place and I'm gonna set it up. So trading teams, not teams. I think just head to head, man. So be the referee. Yeah, I'm gonna be the referee. So there it is, Fresh Cash Friday. We're locking it in. Patrick Wieland TV coming 24 hours a day streaming. Yeah. We're ready. I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna do exactly what I said I was gonna do. Hey, watch that. Whoa, bro. Watch that thing. I'm gonna do exactly what I said. I'm gonna walk away in the green. I'm gonna take my payout. I'll put a video up this weekend talking about that $30,000 payout. And yeah, big things coming, baby. We are ready for anything. People ask me about this axe all the time. I think it's funny because I put it on the desk just to kind of have it there so people will comment about it. But my dad built this axe, so that's kind of why I keep it around. It's like a little momentum, you know, like remember where you come from. You know, remember where you come from. I come from my lineage. You know, you think about it, the Wielands before me. The warriors, the Wielands. How many other Wielands are out there battling the wars? World War II, D-Day, you know? D-Day. We were there. The bike that I have, it's a Super 73. Super 73 bike. Have I tried Take Profit Trader Group? Yes. Take Profit Trader, yes. I've used them. I've posted videos about them. They're great. It works. So there it is. I will see you guys next Monday for Mega Money Mondays. Guess what? I think I might be on the leaderboard today. I think I might be on top of the leaderboard today. Why do you not trade Power Hour? You don't need to, man. Life is too short. You know, life is too short to fucking trade all day. Like, I did not start day trading. You know, I did not start day trading to sit on a computer all day. Remember that, right? Like, why did you start day trading? What was your goal? What was the purpose of this? Was it so that you could work 9 to 5? You know? Was that your goal? Did you want a full-time job or did you want to make money and then live your life? That was my goal. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go live my life, get my hair cut, get ready for the car show this weekend, and take a payout. I like payouts and I cannot lie. My mama don't tell me why, but when a big old payout walks in, I get boom! Peace to the Middle East, people!